Morning. My God, Mike V, trader at Tradeview Markets. A couple of things I have to say to that. If I was the head trader, I'd call myself a head trader, although I did make 30 points on APP short, but a couple of contra trades did not work. I feel like I owe the audience something. As I do this, it's my act of contrition, if you will. A couple of things. I said good morning. Great call, Mickey, on a couple of things, okay? The traders, the room members that we have in here, first of all, if you're looking for, I'm not going to start off and firing away and giving you Rocket Labs and I'm buying HUT here. All the stocks that work with calls predominantly have worked. Anybody, RKLB, one of them, okay? Coors, another one. Hood, another one. Tesla, another one. As I go through specific comments about the room, please, I implore everyone to go watch coaches. I at the risk of being dramatic, I feel like I'm it's like one of these things. Where's the market? Somebody said, I'll give you $9 gazillion. You tell me where the market is. I have no idea. I can tell you probably where 9 million out of the 20 million shares of Apple traded today, numerically. But it's up to you these days, okay? So I feel kind of like lost a little bit. Go watch Coach's video at 9 o'clock, okay? Not only will we both take a victory lap on how we pick natural gas, just couldn't do it. Just couldn't do it. And you know what? The thing is that I learned. There it is right there. I learned from it. There it is, Coach. Good call, man. I learned from it, and I'll do it the next time. It doesn't have to be maybe an incredible size, but my act of contrition is the opposite of maybe or how you would build a natural gas position, building into a position. My act is this: a couple of things that I think I failed you in. First of all, your smallest positions usually turn into the biggest losers. There we go. And basically trying to pick tops or contra trade. All right. So making hard money when there's easier money to be made. For example, in a stock like Twilo, Planeteer, guilty as bacon. Okay. Other comment I want to make is we have more gold. Thank you always for posting. Gold, by the way, is our chief market officer, I believe, at Tradeview Markets. Mick, Bitcoin. Also, Mr. Norman, great call with AMSC. Guys are all over it. GME, trying to bust through the 25. That was a J Norm. Very simple. 25. Let's look at it. Let's look at a couple examples of what our proverbial audience is looking at. Is that my new screen here? GME. Let's split the atom here. Okay. Right here. Volume building up. You could have the simplest of queries. Stocks trading, it looks like, whatever, 150% of at least its volume the previous day. Taking out a new high over the previous day. Breaking over a 3-month range out of the previous day. That's all. Even for the sheepish. If you don't want to really anticipate, buy news, buy stop. GME 25 or whatever, like J Norm said. Easy. Rocket Labs, another one. I'm going to argue with the chart, the volume, and for those members, know it's the calls. I'm not here to tell you that I know that, I don't have an algorithm that says, I think calls are going off of Rocket Lab. It's plain sight. Sometimes it's even on the public Jesus feed. What's so wrong here? Right? Hot sector, calls, volume. It's right now a mania, if you will, FOMO. It's got everything you need. Good trade, man. Great trade. AMSC, let's go to another one, Jimmy. And you know what? If this Taiwan, by the way, that was up 4 this morning, AMSC. Range, doesn't even matter if they make widgets. Net over time, even if you're wrong, that type of volume and chart, if you're wrong, will eventually give you an out. Maybe they buy it on the open and you reevaluate. It was at $4 at one point, AMSC. Fact. And if it wasn't for Taiwan Semi having some relatively challenging news, as you can see, rest of the semi's lower, probably be up even higher. Great call by the room. I appreciate everybody chiming in. I really do. High level freaking opinions. Doing challenging news, as you can see. Wismic. Nobody, all right? Everybody's taking the victory lap. I get it. Can you help me out? I'm not infallible. At least my mom's going to be impressed with all the big words I'm using. SoFi. Self-explanatory. All this start. Here they are. Look at them. Let's look at Tesla. Let's look at SoFi. Let's look at Square. Let's look at this one. The beautiful one. Lemonade. It's beautiful. I hope this, I swear to God, I hope it goes to 100. I swear to God, I hope it does. And you know what? Well, this is the weekly coming to them. I'm not, listen, just like Bud Fox said in Wall Street, I didn't get you into the trade. I'm not going to get you out of the trade. But aware when the weekly on the weekly, the ultimate compliment when you have a winner is you go and try to look for the resistance, not on the daily, but the weekly. Resistance, where's the 200-day? Right where my cursor is? Is that somebody yelled at me? They made fun of me because I call it a cursor. 35.50, 34. So 35 strike price, you get it. Probably going to bring it up there and keep an eye on it. Nobody ever went broke taking a profit, but for me, it was very simple. It's beautiful. Back test looks like GME. That's GME a day delayed. It still could be GME. Nice trade, man. Love those type of trades. It gets me psyched. All right, let's go here. Let's move it. Surf's up, and I feel compelled to always go through the Monday morning. I didn't post that much because it's really just, listen, it's about you versus you now. You're not going to be short of financial instruments here, right here. Mara, Spectator, Planeteer. 36, this up 30. I even posted this. I shouldn't post it because I know some people here like to concentrate. Lewis. I'll tell you one thing though, good crew at Tradeview. I love the people I work with. There it is. There's the gap. Any Bitcoin crypto? No. What? HUT. I'm short a little HUT. I'm trying to fade. I'm making hard money today. I'm not short them across the board. It's not, you know what I mean? I don't know. You tell me, Mick. You put me in the trade. What, it's, I know it's not stocks where they've been, it's where they're going. And I have to put things aside that I don't know that I missed it, but I have to, the word isn't flustered. And I'll admit it if I get flustered. I don't know what maybe I'm trying to FOMO in different groups. I mean, you know what I mean? This one, I mean, how can I miss Crisp? Lewis, you there? Look at Crisp. I love this. This is another one broke out of it. I can't believe I missed these stocks. Next. Do we have to look elsewhere at the moment? Let them come to, listen, Mick, let them come to you. There's a lot going on. Starbucks, another one. Have David Hunter on. David Hunter, for anybody that's not familiar, okay? When is this? November 13th, 10:30. Where's my Twitter feed? Formerly known as X. Okay, here it is. Where is he? I get Solano. I know it. No, listen, Mick, you've been calling Solano just like when I'm saying I say things too. I tried to tell you. I can lead you to the water. It's hard to be in someone else's trade. I get it. I know Solano. I'm obviously well aware of it. Again, it's also a proverbial best of breed of the top 10, if you will. I get it. You know what I mean? 218. All right. Well, what else is going on here? Got a headache already. It's Monday morning. David Hunter. Okay. This is what type of we offer here. Dave H. Contrarian. Who, by the way, has been literally a guest of TradeGATEHub several times. Amazingly, and I'm serious. I'll call it what it is. Bullish every time. And here he is with 200,000 followers, a good following, a high level opinion, right or wrong. And quite honestly, within the past year and a half, 2 years, and Dave, if you're listening, or Coach, I don't want to cut anybody short, has been in the top quintile percent of people consistently calling the market right, and not only right, and why. It is what it is. We got them on. Bravo to both. Appreciate Mr. Hunter. I don't call many people Mister, but make a call like that. And Coach, of course, who leads by example, got him on here, November 3rd. So give an example what's going on today in the Twitter feed. It is about liquidity. Is Walter Bloomberg, even while he's on it. Yes, yes, this is incredible. And I shorted this TSLL. Got right out of it. Made some money, hard money. TSLL, I'll show you. I should have been buying instead. This is the difference in this type of market. Making hard money. I don't know if it's a program as a day trader. Sometimes what makes you good, what makes you bad. There was where I was going to put a lot of it. 2107. I should have been freaking buying instead of covering the short. Here's my short. I'm going to show you. Trust me. The market's fucking flying. BCG. Did I get out of it? Not yet. Sweet green. Wayfair. Hold on. I got a new screen here and it's huge. That screen envy. Don't have screen envy. Let's go to some charts right away. Let's go to it. All right, Mick. I love you, kid. It's not Pat McDooley on the back hour, okay? Good call. No, I'm only kidding, man. Like I said, the reason why Mick is saying every day the tape will tell you it, and it's about you. And listen, this is the screen. This is what's moving. It's a ton of volume, ton of sectors. And like I say, I was joking, Mick. It's you against you at this point. You got to know what plan you want. All right. This is an Olympic swimming pool. If you can't do the backstroke with the rest of the Olympic swimmers, don't do the backstroke. Stick to the freaking, what do they call it thing, the butterfly. The butterfly. Why do you pick that one? ASTS. Another one. Rockets. Here's rock. Oh, what happened here? There's rock. Is it the rocket sector? ASTS. Coming back. Lunar work. Lunar work gapped up. Now you don't know what to do, but lunar did work. You have to be aware. The space sector, just like RKLB. For those that might be a little bit shy again, you try to anticipate if the sector's looking good, but this is all you have to do. Lunar, buy stop, new high, 1003. Don't let your buy stops, oh, they did it right there. That was the buy stop. Whatever. You get the picture. Lemonade, Reddit, continuing to go. I covered this at 109, right here. Made the hard money. I let you down. I let you down. Instead of buying a dip with low volume and then breaking the bull flag, I tried this. I actually did. I made the hard money. And the hard money was really predicated upon me trying to time the market. Not that I think that Reddit had enough. Market pulled back a little bit one particular day. So it's hard money. Good. There it is. Can anybody in TGH deny the fact that Hood has been in the top 5 for calls? Yeah. Hood. And if you want, really, I'll tell you. I don't know how to offer some type of cash thing situation just so anybody. I will give it away $1,000 so somebody could prove me wrong that Hood's not in the top 5 of calls. You want to look at past streams? Go here. Here we go. Freaking power hour. Oh, please. I'm not doing it for you. I'm doing it for me. Here's all the videos. Boom. Latest. There's pages and pages. Hold on. Videos. Popular. I let you down. I let myself down. How can I look Tony Pistachio in the face when I don't have freaking Hood? Any questions? A firm bullish. BCG, I didn't get the top. You bitch. Lunar. Roblox, there you go. Here you go, Roblox. Here's we'll just get the emblematic of what the market's doing at this point. I will leave it this. That's a redundant statement. I mean, Roblox. Is the daily. See this right here? What's that date? October 8th. This is what? November 8th. Okay, give it take a month. Right? Whatever. 10 trading day, 20 trading days. Porn allegations, Roblox 37. Porn. 55. And now I see news coming out here. Where is this? Roblox traders circulate older headlines of Mr. Beast's group. Now, Mr. You know what? This Mr. Beast is a brilliant guy. He's adding to the short squeeze of Roblox. He knows everybody short this from porn allegations. Brilliant. Get him a TGH password. BCG, it could have been somebody. This will never go up again either. Trust me. Docs, I'm shorted. DraftKings. Kramer told you to buy DraftKings. Told you. He said it's a crime that DraftKings is down here. Oh my God, help me. There it is. DraftKings. Shake and bake. How about this one? TGTX, I sold at 30. Oh no, that broke out. You know, you want your positions to work. You don't fucking watch them. Now I'm pissed. Selling TGT. I have it in the fund though. Look at this. If I was short this, I'd be holding it to hold it. I'll leave it at there. Fucking letting people down now. Mick, don't get quit. I was just kidding about the comment. I'm mad. But you know what I'm not mad at is this one. Let's get in it. CRK. CRK, number one. Now natural gas went there. Natural gas went. Now this. How about our other ones? Coach, Dale Pinkert, they call you Coach. What other ones will win? SU, yes, sir. Adding to it. Matter of fact, I'm getting up the pad. What time is it? Am I getting late here? Getting up the pad. Adding to SU. What's the other one? EOG had a hell of a day on Friday. Former best of breed. There's EOG's chart. Resting. Not bad. Chevron got a couple of oils. Lagging. Devin the dog. Apache was the weak one the other day. Fact. Don't know what happened here, but that's what happens even in it's even happening in oil sectors when they're so bifurcated as Ford versus General Motors. So things like that happen. BCG cratering. I knew it. Firm is fucking 55. Look, as a firm. It's a firm's world. We're just living in it. Upstart was net down $4 this morning. There it is now, Upstart. You get the picture. I'm in the room. No reason to extrapolate what's going on. All right. Mike V, cheers. I'll be in the room. I'll try to do it better next